today's vlog mga Dzai, yung camera ko ay hiwi. Ayan na. For today's vlog mga sa aking channel. This is Julie, and if you are new here and if you like our videos, please consider liking and subscribing. And kung nandito ka pa at palaging sumusuporta, maraming salamat for your continuous support. And please click that notification bell button para hindi kayo huli sa aming latest na video. For today's vlog mga Dzai, yung camera ko ay hiwi. Ayan na. For today's vlog mga Dzai is I have another product review. Ayan, from YesStyle. This is Pyunkang Yul Eye Cream. Yes, I've read a lot of good reviews from this brand, and when I saw that they have this product for you review, I ordered it right away. So I received it last week, so I tried it, this product, and even if they give it for me for free, I'm going to do an honest review. As you all know, point mga Dzai is the product packaging. So this is it. Kinuha ko na siya sa box. Ayan. And this, look at this. Yes, napaka-chic and classic ng kanyang packaging. Perfect for gifts. Yes, dahil mga ano na, Christmas na mga Dzai. So, sino yung mga mahilig sa mga skincare? Yeah, this is a perfect gift. You can use my code para may discount kayo. Sigway lang. And this is it. It is, by the way, look at inside. Ayan, napakagandang packaging. And look, it has, meron pa siyang ganito. Hindi ko siya talaga kinuha for the purpose of this video. Hindi ko siya kinuha. This is a pack. So, it's a sachet mga Dzai. Para hindi na kayo mahihirapan and to avoid contamination. Dahil alam nyo naman, sa panahon ngayon, yes, we have to hygiene, clean. So, it's sachet. They recommend a sachet per day, but for me, I used it. Actually, it lasted 2 days for me. Kasi marami naman siyang ano dyan. Marami naman siyang laman. Ayun pala, marami naman siyang laman. And you dub thick. Yes, it's thick. So this is perfect for traveling. Ayan, perfect for gifting. I think I'm going to do this as a present. Yes, meron akong mga gifting ideas because I know someone na mahilig din sa skincare kagaya ko. So, this is the perfect present. Ayan. And you can reuse the box. I'm sure you will use this for a month or 2. It's 50 sachet and you can use it morning and skincare routine. Nakakatipid pag sachet mo siya ginagamit. You're aware how much product you use. I'm mumbling na. So that's it. And travel friendly, of course, if you're out of town, out of the country for a week, days. Yes, you can just use this sachet. Yeah, para hindi na kayo bumili ng mga travel sizes. How to use this product? It's thick, mga Dzai, so it's very good for hydration on your skin. I use it on my morning skincare routine and evening skincare routine. So I use it after the serum and before the cream because it's thick. Gawa kaya ako ng mga guidelines for beginner na skincare, you know, which one you put it first. So since this is thick cream, it should be on the last part of your skincare routine. Eye cream and cream for me. Eye cream and then cream. Yes. You can use it. You can also use this cream mga Dzai for your cracked lips. Dahil pag andito kayo sa mga malalamig na lugar, yes talaga, sobrang nakaka-dry ng lips. Yes, so you can also use this, and you can also even use this for your foundation and blush cream. Yes, for that dewy look. Yes, for that dewy. The ingredients for this product, mga Dzai, it includes milk root, ginseng, and shea butter, which is very good for hydrating your skin and combat signs of skin aging. Yes, like dark circles, fine lines. Yeah, so this is perfect. Very hydrating. This is very hydrating, especially if it's very humid, like sa Pinas, and very cold naman pag winter dito sa US. So this is perfect for hydrating your skin if you have dry skin like me. I'm going to rate this, mga Dzai. I'll give it a 5-star. Yes, dahil napaka-hydrating, plus the packaging talaga. Sobrang lit ng packaging niya. Gift and travel friendly. Yes. For dark circles, I know I need a brightening cream for my dark circles, but it's as I've said before, it's hereditary, so wala na tayong magagawa doon. So that's it, mga Dzai. Sana nagustuhan nyo, and if you want to check this product out, I will leave the links below, and use my code JULIELOVESME for more discount. And if you're already been using this product, please let me know your thoughts below. And that's it, mga Dzai. Thank you so much sa panonood, and see you again on my next vlog. See you again on my next vlog. See you soon. Babush!
Sorry, it's DJ.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show